6 Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Kelly Bates.
Well, good evening and welcome back. And if you suspected we've gotten a lot more rain than usual lately, you're absolutely right. In fact, this is going to go down as the second wettest March. In fact, the first wettest March was from 2010. That was the year that the Warwick Mall did all the flooding. Well, we're number 2 this year at 12.05 of rain. And it looks like we're not going to be contributing to that tonight or tomorrow, so we'll finish the month likely with those numbers. Of course, if they change, you'll see that graphic again. Now, our temperatures were beautiful today. We topped out well into the 50s, not only in the interior, but right onto the coast. We saw a similar temperature profile, and that's because we brought our air in from the north. So with this land breeze going on, we saw the same thing from north to south across southern New England. We have a beautiful sky in progress right now, just some high, thin clouds. Temperatures are still beautiful in the 50s out there. Great if you have any evening activities planned. You go for it. It's going to be nice. We do have winds again that are coming in, occasionally gusty, 5 to 15 miles per hour, generally sustained. And we're finding, again, occasional gusts that have been coming up to 30 miles per hour, particularly in coastal areas. So here's what's going on. We have a front that will be coming through, and we've been watching this really carefully over the past few days because it was going to give us a slight chance of an overnight shower tonight. But our models are starting to say that the precipitation part will be diving to our south, leaving us with just an increase in cloudiness slated for tonight. So if you do have any plans, you should get through them just fine. So here's a look at our futurecast. Again, our precipitation diving to the south. Here we are at 11 o'clock. Increasing clouds is our forecast for tonight. And by the time we get to tomorrow, we will be clearing out any of those said clouds. And we're in fact due to see a decent amount of sunshine for your Easter Sunday with dry conditions. As we go Sunday into Monday, things are going to start to get a little wonky as we go into the midweek. And I'll show you more on that in a second. I wanted to also let you know we do still have flood warnings in effect for area rivers because of all that runoff. Now, they have all crested, but not all of them are back below flood stage. The Patuxent, rather, in Cranston crested this morning. It is still above flood stage and is not expected to go below until Monday morning. Looking at the Wood River, now this river has already crested this morning, is right about the flood stage, and is expected to go below flood stage this evening, and that's when this warning is expected to expire. Now, interesting situation setting up with the Pawcatucket westerly. Because this river is tidally influenced, every time we do a high tide, it pops over the flood stage of 7 feet. It's not until the Monday morning high tide ends that we'll finally bring this river below flood stage, and it should stay there. So I wanted to put this into motion. This is our midweek. Here we are on April 3rd. So this would be Tuesday? Wednesday. Friday is the 5th, Wednesday. Okay, so this is Wednesday. And as we go through Wednesday, we're expecting to see the transfer of energy from this area of low pressure to this area of low pressure. And this developing coastal storm will gradually increase in intensity. I wanted to point out we have mixed precipitation in here, rain and snow expected. And we do have the potential of seeing this as a period of some morning wintry precipitation on April the 4th. So that's Thursday morning. Now, this is preliminary, and I want to let you know that you can expect portions of this forecast to change. But yeah, it looks like winter may be coming back at us just for a brief period of time midweek. Wow. So anyway, for tonight, we're looking at increasing clouds, temperatures that are going to be in the 30s. Here's your forecast for hanging out with your peeps. On Easter Sunday, sunrise, we're looking at a temp of 38, midday 58, and your evening temps will be in the lower 50s. Here's our extended forecast, and it's going to show temps that are going to be going down into the 40s, which is cooler than average. And that midweek time frame is going to be kind of interesting. If we do see any snow on Thursday, it would be during the morning. We should kick any frozen precipitation over to rain by noon, but the Thursday morning commute could be messy as a result. Just wanted to let you know. And, you know, for your Thursday morning commute. There you go.
All right. And I mean, for tomorrow,
yeah,
it's looking pretty good.
Yeah, it really couldn't be better. And for your sunrise services, temperatures will be in the upper 30s. Your sunrise time for Easter Sunday is 6:29.
Yeah, and we love the sun for all those egg hunts for the kids, too. So.
And dry conditions, temperatures in the 50s should be really pleasant, too.
Awesome. All right. Thanks, Kelly.
Sure.
Ian.